We're seeing quite a lot of communications from the Met about the cost of policing protests. Interestingly, they've really focused recently on the Just Stop Oil protests with a tweet, "Read all about it, our response to Just Stop Oil. It cost us 20 million and 10,500 officer shifts to police Just Stop Oil. We'd rather use these resources in our communities." Now, I just wonder if you have a view on the way that they're picking out an environmental protest as against there's so many other protests that are also causing huge additional costs for the Metropolitan Police.
I don't think they have only picked out Just Stop Oil in terms of costs and burden and pressure on their policing. I would have to go back and check that they have only done that, because I don't think they have.
Okay, I'll trawl through their social media a bit further as well.